How to add border to photo in Picsart. Looking to give your image a clean edge? Let's add a border in Picsart. First, upload your photo and click on the Tools tab. Then border. Adjust the thickness, opacity, and color of the border using the sliders. Choose between outer, center, or inner borders depending on your style. Click apply once you are happy with how it looks. Do you prefer bold borders or subtle ones? Let's talk about it in the comments below. White borders make your images pop on colorful backgrounds, while black borders work best for light themes. And that's how you can add border to photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.